message writing. Sometimes we want to say something to someone who is not present at the time. In such situations, we leave a message for the person. A message should be informal in style. It should be short and direct. And following are the purposes I have written here for which we send the message. Like to give an explanation for a particular action or behavior, to say sorry or thank you for something, to ask someone to do a favor, yes, to leave some important information for somebody. These are the some of the purposes I have written for which we send the message to the next person. Now this is your format, like box, broad rectangular box, like a notice, very important. And you'll write message in capital letters, date, today's date. That means if I'm writing the message today, then I'll write the today's date, time, at what time you're writing the message, and then receiver's name will come. Okay, then main content of the message, what you have to write the message in message, and then the sender's name will come. So the name of the writer and the receiver of the message, these are the essential parts, receivers and senders. Day, date, time of writing, these are the very important. Day also you can write over here with the date. And in the main content, only the important details you will mention. So sentences in the message need not be complete as long as right meaning gets conveyed. So you have to convey the right meaning in the sentence. It will not be complete until and unless the correct message conveyed. Now look for an example, like date is written over here, time is written, and the receiver is Niti and sender is Chitra. So it is a general message. I am really sorry for shouting at you in the first period today. I was upset, but I shouldn't have screamed like that. I apologize. So look at the main content. Only the important details, like sorry for shouting at you in the first period. I was upset but shouldn't have screamed, and I apologize. That means sorry. So only the important detail, nothing irrelevant material, nothing irrelevant matter which is not related to the message. It's a sorry message. So general saying a sorry. Let's take one example and we will write the message for that. Okay. Fatima called her friend Dilnaz. But as she was away, her mother received the call instead. Now, Fatima called her friend Dilnaz. So, Dilnaz was not at home. Her mother, that means Dilnaz's mother, received the call. The conversation between them was as follows. Fatima: hello, may I speak with Dilnaz, please? This is Fatima. So, Fatima was asking for Dilnaz. So, who picked up the phone? Dilnaz's mother. Dilnaz's mother this side, she's away for her guitar classes. May I take your message for her? Fatima: sure, auntie. Please tell her that our class teacher has circulated the instruction that we have to stay back after school tomorrow to rehearse for the annual function. She has asked us to carry some snacks, water, and to inform our parents to pick us up at 5 p.m. So this is the important message which Fatima wanted to convey to Dilnaz, that we have to stay after the regular hours of the school for the rehearsal of annual function, and teacher asked us to carry snacks, water, and we have to inform our parents to pick us up at 5 p.m. This is the important message which Fatima wanted to convey to Dilnaz. Dilnaz's mother: all right, have you all been allowed to keep your cell phones with you? Now, Dilna's mother asking, allowed to keep your cell phones with you, and would you be permitted to go home with your friends if need be? Fatima, yes, auntie, cell phones are allowed and children can use a carpool too. Carpool means they can share one car and all together they can come by one car. But permission letter will be needed. But parents' permission letter will be needed that they can come with their friends. Now, Delna's mother need to go out before Delna's return. So Delna's is not at home, and Delna's mother has to leave before her returning. So she leaves this message for her. So now we will write the message. What is? So now, who is the sender now? Mother. Mother will send this message to Delnas. So already I have made the box. Now message I have written. Now Monday, comma, April 26, 2020. Leave one line and write time 10:15 a.m. Who is the receiver? Delnas. Your classmate Fatima. Start with a capital letter. Fatima F. Called to inform that your class teacher has asked you all to stay back. Stay back till 5 p.m. tomorrow for annual A capital day DAY capital rehearsals. You will have to carry your snacks, water, cell phone, etc. and a permission letter. Permission letter for what? That they can come with their friends. Permission letter from your parents if you want to return home. If you want to return home with the other children. So this is only the important message. Yes, that you have to stay till 5 p.m. have to carry snacks, water, cell phone and a permission letter. only the 3 lines. Now I am out shopping, will return by 3 p.m. So mother is saying I am out for shopping and I will return by 3 p.m. That is why she has written the message for Delnas. Now then after that you have to close the box. Use the scale to make a box. So this is called conversational message because we have already read the conversation between the Fatima and Delna's mother, and after that we have written this message.